When homeowners in High Springs think about improving their property value, big renovations like kitchens or bathrooms often come to mind first. But one of the smartest, and most overlooked, upgrades is replacing old doors. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to protect your investment, new doors can significantly boost your home's value, comfort, and curb appeal. First impressions matter more than you think in a close-knit, scenic community like High Springs. Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived. Your front door is often the first thing visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can make an otherwise beautiful home feel neglected. Installing a new entry door instantly refreshes the exterior. Modern designs, clean lines, and quality materials create a strong first impression that suggests the rest of the home has been well cared for. Even something as simple as upgrading to a stylish fiberglass or solid wood door can add visual value that translates directly into higher buyer interest. Increased home value with a high return on investment. New doors are known for delivering a strong return on investment. Compared to large remodeling projects, door replacement is relatively affordable while still adding noticeable value. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that require fewer immediate upgrades, and new doors signal move-in readiness. In High Springs, where buyers often look for homes that blend charm with durability, upgraded doors help your property stand out in a competitive market. Entry doors, patio doors, and even interior doors all contribute to a more polished, higher value feel throughout the home. Energy efficiency buyers appreciate old doors can leak air, driving up energy bills and reducing comfort. New doors are built with advanced insulation, tight seals, and energy-efficient materials that help keep indoor temperatures stable year-round. For High Springs homeowners, this means better comfort during hot summers and cooler evenings. For buyers, it means lower utility costs, an increasingly important selling point. Energy-efficient doors don't just save money, they add perceived value by making the home feel smarter and more efficient. Improved security adds peace of mind. Security is another major factor in property value. New doors come with reinforced frames, modern locking systems, and impact-resistant materials that provide better protection than older models. A home that feels secure is more attractive to families, retirees, and first-time buyers alike. Strong, professionally installed doors give buyers confidence that the property offers safety as well as style, something that can directly influence their willingness to make a higher offer. Better functionality and everyday comfort. Doors that stick, squeak, or don't close properly can be daily frustrations. Replacing them improves everyday living while also increasing resale appeal. Smooth operation, better sound insulation, and improved durability all contribute to a more comfortable home environment. Sliding patio doors that glide effortlessly, solid interior doors that reduce noise, and sturdy exterior doors that block drafts all enhance how a home feels to live in, and that experience matters to buyers. A smart upgrade for long-term value. Whether you're preparing to sell or planning to stay in your High Springs home for years to come, new doors are a practical investment. They improve aesthetics, energy efficiency, security, and functionality all at once. In a market where buyers value quality and care, replacing outdated doors is a simple yet powerful way to increase property value. It's an upgrade you'll enjoy every day, and one that pays off when it matters most.